Hello, maybe you are facing a problem of forgetting your password like MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or something same which is telling you the MacBook code. So let's see. I have forgotten my password. I cannot input or enter into my screen. Just simply click here on this power button and simply click on shut down and wait for a moment until the product or your MacBook is being shut down. Wait for a moment. Yes, it's done. Now simply press the power button and keep it simple for 10 seconds. Now press the power button for 10 seconds and then see the changes coming. Yes, continue holding for startup option. Like you have to wait for 10 seconds loading startup options. You can see now you can, yes, go to the options from here, Macintosh OS. Then click on continue, and then after clicking on continue, just wait for a moment until the next step is coming, and then you can see utilities and some other options like edit or something same, but simply go to the utilities and terminal, and then after going here just type reset password, and then press on enter. After pressing enter, you will see another screen like this one. You can't log in into your computer because you forgot your password. You can reset it now. So before resetting it, like you can see the Wi-Fi icon, just simply click on it if you are not connected. Like before going here, you have to connect your Wi-Fi, and then simply click on deactivate Mac, and then click on deactivate, and then see it has been deactivated or being deactivated actually, and then wait for another moment until the next screen appears, and you can see, yes, now I can input my password here and what I want, just a simple one, and then provide the password again, and then click on next. And when you are clicking the next, then it will say the password is being reset. Now you can log in on your computer or on your MacBook using the same password as you have provided here. So let's wait for a moment until the next screen appears. Yes, reset password completed. Now just simply click on exit and then restart your MacBook, and then see the changes. Tantana, maybe you have got the solution already. Thank you so much for watching. As you have got the solution from here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go and then see. Thank you. Let's wait and see the password that I provided, and then enter. Yes, finally I got the screen. Thank you so much for watching.